Hello everyone, this is Illustrator CC tutorial for making poster. Let's start. Go to the file, new, and you can click tabloid if you see that first window. If you're not, go to the print, find the tabloid, change with the inches, and we want to create. So this is 11 by 17, our tabloid poster. Okay, so let's start. Go to the layer. We're gonna create a background. This is image. One more, this is text. So you might using the image or not, but it's better to kind of set up background, image, and text. So that is our kind of basic setup. And next step, go to the view, go to ruler, show the ruler. Okay, and I'm in this selection tool. Click the ruler, and we want to create 1 inch guideline. 1 inch guideline, and 1 inch guideline, and 1 inch guideline. But in the future, if you create a letter size poster, that case 1 inch is too big, so you can have a kind of ½ inch or ¼ inch as a guideline will be good. But even guideline will be very beneficial. Okay, so it seems everything ready. Go to the file, save as. I'm in the tutorial poster, and this is my previous poster 1, poster 2. So this will be poster number 3. This will be photo and your first name. Okay, so always put your first name at the end of file name, so I can check your tutorial file at the end of class. Okay, click save, click OK. Okay, so I'm ready, and this tutorial we're gonna using the image. Okay, I'm gonna go to the background, I'm gonna go to the file. If Illustrator, so you can create everything Illustrator, but if you bring any text or any image like JPG, PNG, any image you're working on in the Photoshop or something else, you have to place it. Okay, so this is a vector. Illustrator cannot create the vector. Any JPG, any pixel-based image, you need to place it. Okay, go to the file, go to the place, and go to poster resources, and we want to find image Romeo Juliet white.jpg. Click this one, click place, and just kind of click. So this will be 11 by 17 Romeo and Juliet photo. So this is photo from that movie Titanic. Okay, so this photo I think looks good. So this is kind of my background, and I'm gonna go to your image. Okay, I'm gonna go to this rectangle tool. I want to have the black. I want to have a black outline, and I'm gonna click. This time I want to have 11 by 4 inch rectangle. Click OK. So I'm the selection tool. Let me position at the bottom. Okay, but that's too strong. I'm gonna change my opacity to the 70%. So there will be dark but transparent. Still I can see the image behind this box. Okay, so my image is ready, and then I have another kind of scare any kind of layer on top of it, make it kind of darker. I want to put specific text in here. So let's go to the text. So go to the file, go to the place, go to poster resources, and click poster text. Click place, and make sure click remove text formatting. Click OK. And here will be our text. Okay, so in this text, go to the character, and I'm gonna use everything with Gill Sans. I'm gonna change with everything Gill Sans, and I'm gonna change with a 20. So this will be kind of our kind of default text. Okay, so Romeo and Juliet, we're gonna start with a title, and we will type because it'll be easier to make point text. I'm gonna go to T, and I'm gonna click. I'm gonna type as Romeo, So this Romeo Gilsons, I'm gonna change with 157. So this will be my Romeo, and I want to change with this red color, so there will be kind of a little bit kind of dark red. Okay, I'm gonna deselect. I'm gonna create another point type tool, and I'm gonna type end. Okay, so in this one I want to change to 100, and I want to change with the red color. It's Romeo, and I'm gonna tap. Okay, so this red color is to be matched. I'm gonna using the red next to the magenta. Okay, and I'm gonna go to T type tool, and I'm gonna type Juliet, and I want to increase 157, will be same size of the Romeo, and I'm gonna change with the red color. So I was using same red color for Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so here's all my text. Comment 0, I just want to show here. So in this one, I want to put another guideline. So I'm gonna go to ruler. I'm gonna go to this 3. Okay, and I'm gonna put this Romeo in this guideline and try to meet this right side. So you kind of touch with the 2 guideline in the top and right side. Okay, and I'm gonna try to put the end, and I'm gonna try to put the Juliet this left end. Okay, so we want to have a more little bit more organized. Okay, so I'm gonna have another guideline start from this R. Okay, and another guideline end with this is end. So this is kind of overlap area. Okay, so I'm gonna click this Juliet, and I'm gonna increase about my tracking until I meet with this end. So basically R will be meet here, and then this end will be meet here, Romeo and Juliet. Okay, and if you want to do more precise, so we'll half inch. Okay, and there will be, and here there's another half inch. So that case you can kind of control between of kind of letting space, Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so I'm gonna put the Royal Shakespeare Company present right side and align to the right. So I'm gonna go to type tool, and I want to copy, Command C. I'm gonna deselect, and I'm gonna paste here. Okay, let me make a little bit bigger here. Okay, so Royal Shakespeare Company present. So this one, I think 20 will be enough, and I want to change with bold. Okay, this is the still Gilsons, and I want to be each letter. So I want to be Shakespeare Company present. Okay, but this one I want to be aligned right. Okay, so let me put here. Okay, make sure it's even. If you see any of kind of giggle or spacing, you need to go to cursor and just remove. I want to be very clean, nice, right alignment. Okay, and I want to change with same red color. Okay, so this is Royal Shakespeare Company present, and I want to place in the top of the O. Okay, so that's why I just make a kind of 3-inch of kind of guideline, so give a little bit more space for this text. Okay, and I want to give a little bit more room because I want to show the image, not cover everything on the text, and I want to put the theater information in the right side. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I want to Command C, copy. I'm just gonna deselect it. T type, I'm just gonna click and Command V. Okay. So this is your first name, theater. So I want you to type your first name. Okay, let me put my first name. Okay. Okay, and this one, first what I need to do, we need to align to the right. Okay, here's my information, align to the right, and I'm gonna select it. Leading, I want to increase 30 point. It's easy to see, and everything will be 20. And on the top, I want to increase the 30 point, so its theater name is a little bit bigger. Okay, and I want to change with the color to the white. Okay, so this is kind of similar. It's only difference with the gill sense. So everything's gill sense. The other information will be 20 point. Name of a theater 30 point, and leading is 30 point. Okay, and I want to place this right side. Okay, and I don't need the information anymore, so I'm gonna select. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so this is a very simple poster. But if you're using any of kind of image as a kind of background, it's most easy way to create a concert or movie or kind of theater performance or dance performance. It's most easy kind of method to create a poster. Okay, but to make sure your title is easy to see, and then other secondary information you can also see here. Okay, everything looks good. First, we need to save. The reason we are not making copy because we already save as unique name poster3 photo and your name, right? And I want to save as PDF too. So save as out of a PDF, save, same folder. I want to using high quality print, and you don't have to do anything. So all the option will be checked, and save PDF. Okay, here's our PDF. So very clean, nice look of the poster, right? Romeo and Juliet in title and image in the subtle. So when you're using the image in the poster, you don't want to be competed. So your image can be a little bit opaque, a little bit transparent, or a little bit opacity, or a little bit kind of black and white, and make sure that not competed with the information you need to kind of convey. Okay, so PDF format is very useful for preview, for send your customer or your friends, or upload, or email attachment. Okay, and of course for good for the printing. That's end of tutorial.